Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to review BNBFarmer. So this just got launched 12 hours ago. So I wasn't able to join ASAP because it's already 3 a.m. at my time. I definitely forgot it, but of course we are not going to let it pass, or we're not going to let it slide. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys. I will be showing you, okay, my real Crypto Addict channel. Again, thank you so much for watching for my videos, and we're going to create more videos, okay, in the future about different crypto projects. Okay, so make sure to check us every single day for daily updates. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so BNBFarmer, okay, is definitely a different version, or a much more better version of baked beans, because of course they do have a lower APR, which I think is pretty much what do you call that, it pretty much looks true. Okay, so also they do have the deposit fee and treasury fee. So treasury fee is where things like money that is needed for the liquidity, or like for the stability of the project, is being reducted. Okay, so treasury fee is very good for those projects, okay, that are having this. Okay, but of course also, this is really awesome because of course again, there's no discrimination in here. You can even start for as low as 0.005 or 0.005. Okay, you can start for as low as $10, $20. It actually depends on you. Okay, and for you to hire farmers, which I'm going to do right now, sad to say I won't be able to show to you the MetaMask transaction, since I'm doing a window capture at the moment, so it's not really going to appear at this video or at this screen over here. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's wait for the action. Rather, yeah, let's wait for the action, brother. Okay, so in here we got 2,200 farmers, which is not bad, bro. Not bad, not bad. And yeah, definitely what we're just going to do here is 6-to-1 strategy. Again, you compound 6 days a week, and then you can claim 1 day, so that the daily returns will be maintained, because this smart contract, okay, are like making sure that every claim that you're going to get, okay, the rewards will be lower. So for you to be able to make money in the short term and in the long term run, is to do this 6-to-1 strategy. So this strategy has been effective since months ago. So definitely you should check this one out, because this just got launched. And also, okay, this is the tokenomics they've explained. Okay, so every deposit withdrawal has a base tax of 2.5%. This is to ensure the contract longevity, as well as the treasury fee. And of course, the treasury fee is used to invest in a variety of DeFi protocols to help provide liquidity for the contract. Okay, so I hope it's pretty much clear to you guys. And of course, they do have a Telegram group, and also a Discord if you are pretty much interested too. And of course, they also have for Avax. If you are using Avax network, do not worry, they are also in Avax. So the website is Avax Farmer, so make sure to check this one. I will be putting both of these links into the description box below for your reference. And of course, if you like this content, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content. And of course, let's we've forgot to mention this contract address, so it is also verified. So it's a lot more safer for us to see that the contract is verified, everything is doing well, so that we will have much more like a feeling of goodness, that or like there's a transparency that this project is not going anywhere. Okay, so again, I will be going for now. See you on the next video.